You have been learning all these skills, building your knowledge, but when it's time to apply for a job, they want experience, and you are stuck, wondering, how do I get this experience if no one will give me a chance? Well, that's exactly where my story begins. Let me show you how I broke out of that cycle, and now you can too. Hey guys, my name is Nelson Hema, and in this channel, I take you along with me on my journey as an aspiring data analyst. If you resonate with my story and find it inspiring, I greatly appreciate you give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps me continue sharing my experience and insights with you. So with that said, let's get right to why we are here. I discovered this amazing platform. It offers free virtual internship from top companies around the world. And guess what? You do not need to apply or pay for nothing. All you do is register, pick a project, and start learning by doing. The program I joined was specifically for data analytics. It was a self-paced virtual internship where I got to solve real-world business problems. I was placed in a simulation with a frictional company, and my job was to help them reduce their credit card delinquency rates. Sounds intense, right? But don't worry. They will walk you through everything step by step with video instructions. You will learn how to conduct exploratory data analysis. You will learn how to identify trends in customer behavior. You will work with Python. Yes, even if you are new. You will think like a real data analyst, solving business challenges. And when you complete it, you get a certificate of completion that you can proudly show off on LinkedIn, include in your portfolio, and use to build your confidence. For me, it wasn't just about the project. It was the moment I realized that I could actually do this, that I had the potential to solve business problems using data. And that one experience opened doors for me. It became a part of my story. It gave me something solid to talk about in interviews and on my resume. So if you are an aspiring data analyst and you are tired of hearing you need experience, then create your own experience. Head over to forage.com. I have dropped the link in the description. Sign up to create account. Go to explore. Click on data and look for data analytics program and start there. Whether you are just getting started or trying to build your portfolio, this is your sign. You do not need a job to prove your skill. You just need to take the first step. And that's it, guys. If you like this video and you think it has helped you, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this so you don't miss out on any of my video. And leave a comment in the comment section on which the Forage course you are going to try. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys, and I'll see you in my very next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Cheers.